killed nearly 300 women and girls from the same forest in northeastern Borno state. Nigeria's defense spokesperson General Chris says the military had seized militant camps.
Over 13 terrorist camps, including the notorious Tokumbere camp in the Sambisa forest, have been captured.
An official says military operations will continue until all the hostages are rescued. Boko Haram has captured at least 2,000 women and girls from their families since the start of 2014. Amnesty International says many of the girls have become sexual slaves and are used as human shields by the militants. The uprising poses the greatest security threat to Africa's largest economy and leading oil producer. In the last 2 months, the Nigerian army has taken back control of territory in the remote north with the backing of troops from neighboring Chad, Niger and Cameroon. Nigerians hope President-elect Muhammadu Buhari will restore peace and stability in the country.